Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Litecoin, the second oldest virtual digital asset, or commonly known as cryptocurrency, has stormed into the list of top 10 gainers this week. Prices of Litecoin have been on a tear ever since users bogged down by rising transaction costs of Bitcoin preferred less expensive alternative. Litecoin prices have rallied near 20% in the last 7 days. While trying to assess the reasons for this stupendous performance, it revealed that the token has grabbed investors' attention not only due to rising Bitcoin transaction fees, but LTC is hugely undervalued, but it has benefited from the introduction of LTC20 token standard. This is a fork from the BRC20 standard on which Bitcoin Ordinal's NFTs are based. Apparently, network adoption increased significantly as more addresses made a transition from Bitcoin to Litecoin, also popularly known as silver, to Bitcoin's gold. As per Glassnode, the active addresses and transaction count reached an all-time high on 10th of May, coinciding with Bitcoin's transaction jump. The overall market sentiment for LTC turned bullish as per blockchain analytics firm Into the Block. The price rally boosted the earnings of investors as about 58% of the holders realized profit at the current market price. Litecoin has rallied nearly 31% so far this year, but it is still trading at discounted prices according to an on-chain metric called the market value to realized value Z-score. Another important aspect is that LTC has chalked out its independent path. The trend is reflected in falling correlation between LTC and BTC. According to Into the Block dashboard, LTC's correlation with BTC fell to 0.34. A correlation close to zero implies that the asset in question moves on a different wavelength when compared to BTC. Litecoin is a proof-of-work network where miners use high-powered computer rigs to order transactions on blockchain. Since May 2022, Litecoin price rise has enabled it to beat some other well-known cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Monero, etc. Litecoin, built from Bitcoin's code, has performed exceptionally and it continues to do so going forward. Meanwhile, Ordinal Mania has caused increased blockchain activity not just on Bitcoin's network but also on Litecoin's network. According to data from BitInfo charts, Litecoin's blockchain last week experienced over 584,838 transactions in one day, the highest transactions in history of Litecoin. However, Litecoin, the digital token launched 12 years ago as a more transaction-friendly version of Bitcoin, is drawing the attention of speculators after a meme token frenzy drove up costs on the largest blockchain. In addition, to facilitate faster transactions, a new block of transactions is added every 2.5 minutes on the Litecoin chain, compared with every 10 minutes for Bitcoin. According to data from CoinMarketCap.com, Litecoin has a market value of about $6.7 billion, making it the 11th largest cryptocurrency, while Bitcoin's market value is around $516 billion. Speculators have also piled into Litecoin ahead of a blockchain event known as halving, in which the rewards miners receive for securing transactions are reduced in order to cap the amount of tokens. Litecoin's halving event is expected to take place in the month of July or early August, analysts believe. The recent mushrooming of new tokens has its roots in new tools that allow developers to mint coins on the Bitcoin blockchain. These are known as BRC20 tokens. So that's all in this special segment. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such interesting updates and stories, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.